open your existing XML project. First add Compose dependencies to your project. Ensure you are using the latest Jetpack Compose version. Add this block also in the build Gradle file. Now hit Sync Now button at the top. Project has successfully synced now. To use Jetpack Compose inside an XML layout, we need to wrap it in Compose view. Let's modify our XML layout. Now we need to divide our screen with XML based layout and Compose view. So first, let's remove the bottom constraint of text view and then add the ID. And now you can see the upper portion of our screen is XML based and bottom portion is Compose view. Now let's link Compose view to a composable function in Kotlin. Create a new variable Compose view and find view ID, search r.id.composeView. Now we have to set the content of this Compose view with a composable function. You can create a new composable function outside of this activity class. Write comp and the template will be given. Hit enter and name your function as myComposableContent. Let's remove this modifier for now. Add a new column, and in this column we have to add a text from Compose. The text can be I am using Jetpack Compose. And now we have to add a button, and for the contents of this button we have to add a text inside this one. Let's give it a text of open compose only activity. Now we have to pass onClick lambda to this composable function, which will be eventually passed to onClick of this button in the composable. Now use this myComposableContent function inside setContent of Compose view.